All right, so I've just made up my mind that I'm just going to start recording pretty much everything I do on my computer screen, and that's going to be my content. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva to create easy content for TikTok. This is an amazing strategy, and you're definitely going to want to pay attention. So first and foremost, I'm going to go over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to have ChatGPT come up with some really cool content. So I'm gonna say, Chat GPT, give me 10 inspirational quotes for online business. Okay, so here we go. One is by Steve Jobs. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Number two, your work is going to fill a large part of your life. And the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Okay, so that's essentially the same thing as number one, just extended. Number three, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. Number four, don't be afraid to give up on the good things, on the good to go for the great. John D. Rockefeller. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. The only limit of our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. It's a lot of Roosevelts and Rockefellers and quotes like that. However, you get the point. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. Ooh, I love that. Let's see if this person actually wrote this quote right here. I'm just going to search it on Google. Albert Switzer. Okay, so apparently. Okay, so let's look at this. I'm going to copy this right here by Albert Switzer. Hit copy. Now I'm going to take my happy butt over to Canva.com. Canva. And then I'm just going to type in TikTok. I'm going to hit video, enter. And then now you're going to see all of these really cool TikTok videos pop up. And I'm going to find, I like this one. I'm going to click this one, hit this one. I'm going to go ahead and change the name up here in the top right. I'm going to change it to the quote. And then right here, I'm just going to drop the quote there. I'm going to remove this little number one thing. And then I'm going to adjust the quote to make it look more aesthetically appealing. So I like that where it says daily reminder. I'm just going to leave that there. And then I'm going to find something in reference to successful. I'm going to go down here where it says video. I'm going to type video right here. I'm going to hit enter. And then let's see if we can find an image that represents success. And I'm going to drag it over there just like that. Okay, I like that, but the background is kind of covering up some of the words just a tad. So I'm just going to type in serene. Oh, yeah, now we're kicking. All right, now I'm going to drag this over there like that. Now we're kicking like a chicken. And I want to hit I freaking love it. I freaking love that. So now what I'm also going to do is I'm going to go right here where it says audio. And it's unfortunate that I cannot. What I want to do. Oh, let me tell you what I want to do. I want to record myself saying these words to make the TikTok video more unique. Now I can just post it as it is with music, but I don't want to do that. I want to add a little spice to it. And I get a lot of people telling me that my voice is really good for like meditations and quotes. So I'm going to use this as an opportunity to take them up on their compliment. So I'm going to pull up GarageBand, and all I'm going to do is go right here, set this to time, pull this down so I can read this, and I'm going to say, success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Albert Switzer. And then boom, I'm going to go back and I'm going to listen to it. Let's play this thing back to see if it sounds appealing. Go back and then we hit yes. I love that. Okay. I don't know if you can hear that from my screen, but I love it. So now I'm just going to go down here and make sure that the sound quality is up to my liking. And I'm going to do that by going down here where it says plugins. You don't have to do all of this. I think just recording it is good enough. You could even record this on your phone if you wanted to. So you don't have to get all technical like this. But again, I want it to sound as best as possible. And all I'm doing is adding some EQ adjustments to my voice so that my voice is as crisp as humanly possible. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is hit share, export to disk, and then I'm going to save that as the word successful. And I want to save it to my file here, hit export. There we go. And it should be done in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Maybe. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to go over here where it says uploads. I'm going to upload file. And then I'm going to go right here where it says successful. I'm going to place it in there. It's going to upload to Canva just like this. I'm going to hit it and then okay, I love the way that sounds. So now I'm going to download this as a video. Now I could just share it to social from here. Like right here, I could share it to TikTok, but I got to like scan my phone and do all of that kind of stuff. And I don't want to do that. What I want to do is do this as simple as possible. I want to just download it. Didn't mean to do that. So let's hit download and download as an MP4, hit download. While that's, making up its mind to download, I'm going to go over here to my Google Drive. And while this is taking place, I am going to put this on pause for just a second. Okay. And so while that's doing its thing, let's see if it's made up its mind about downloading. Okay, it's still going through the download phase right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here to my Google Drive. Now, what I've done is I've trained my Google Drive to take everything I put in a specific folder and place it in TikTok automatically. The way I did that is I went over to repurpose.io. Give me 1 second. I'll share with you in just a second. So over here in repurpose.io, basically all I did is I connected my TikTok to this platform, and repurpose.io allows you to take one piece of content and share it on all social medias that you want to simultaneously. So what I did is I connected my TikTok to it, and then I created a workflow. Oh, there's the video right there. So I'm just going to save that video. And then now what I did is I said, okay, I want everything. I went over to Google Drive and I created a drive called Drive to TikTok. And so now Repurpose knows that everything I drop into this folder on Google Drive, this specific folder called Drive to TikTok, it now knows to automatically send that content to TikTok. So watch this. I'm just gonna go here where my downloads are. I'm gonna take the video and just let it release right here. If you look to the bottom right corner, the video is uploading down there to the bottom right corner. And now that content is gonna automatically go over to TikTok. So I only used three things. I used ChatGPT, Canva, and then repurpose software. This software is absolutely amazing when it comes to repurposing your content. I can also tell it to, hey, take everything in this drive and also send it to Facebook or to TikTok or to Instagram or to wherever or to YouTube. I can tell it to do all of those things. But in this case, I only wanted to do this one thing. As you see here, my video is uploaded right here inside of this drive. And what's going to happen is after maybe 5 minutes or so, it's not instant, but maybe within 5 minutes or so, I'll go over to my TikTok page and I'll see where that video that I put into my Google Drive will automatically start populating over here to my TikTok page. It's a really good way for me to create content on my desktop because believe it or not, it's easier for me to create content on my desktop than it is a lot of times for me to create content on my mobile device, the content that I want to create. So this is about flexibility. Okay. So I can literally just go about my life and just drop content into this folder and it automatically publishes that piece of content onto my social media platform using this wonderful tool right here. This is a lifesaver. So if you want to get this tool, which is repurpose, click the link right below this video. That's my affiliate link. It's going to allow you to have a couple of days of a free trial. You'll get to experience how powerful this is. I've been using it for a very long time. When I say a very long time, maybe 6 months or so. And it's just made my entire life 100% better because I don't have to worry about opening up all these social media platforms anymore. Like I only have like TikTok and I got TikTok and I got all the platforms except for Facebook and Instagram on my phone. And those are the most addictive ones, but I can literally live my life without having to open up social media like that because I can just focus on being a creator and drag and just create content from my desktop and just drag it into and just drop it into the folder, and the folder automatically puts it on my social media platforms for me. So that's amazing. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit pause right here and I'm going to come back. The time right now is 1:30 p.m. and then I'll come back in a couple of minutes and share my screen and let you see the content on my actual TikTok page. Okay, here we are. A few minutes later, I'm going to refresh the TikTok page just like this. And as you see there, there is the video right here. Has my voice. And so, yeah, that's how you create content for TikTok easily using repurpose.io. It's Robbie Cornelius, always encouraging you to master yourself, master your mind, make money online. And if you want this technique, all you got to do is click the links in the video. It'll take you to repurpose. It'll also take you to Canva Pro. And yeah, enjoy. Talk to you soon.